What's up, Wayne Barron here with Architect Studios, and we are inside of, what looks to be Windows 10. However, it is Windows 16. If we look right down here at the bottom, it says Windows Server 2016 Data Center Evaluation. Now, this is video number 2, so what we're going to do is that we're going to run through some settings that needs to be changed before we can do anything with this system. Well, basically to join a domain or become a domain controller, there's several key things that needs to be done. But this is not one of them, but I need to do it anyway, and that's our time right here. I'm actually on the East Coast, so we're going to click here. We're going to get started, choose date time settings, and we're going to come over here. We're going to drop this all the way down to Eastern time. We're going to close out of it, and the taskbar, I never like having the taskbar up, so we're going to right click on the taskbar. We're going to go to settings. We're going to come over here. We're going to change that to where it's hiding. We got a lot more real estate left. Okay, so the next thing that we need to do is change the IP address for the system. Come down here, right click on our network, open Network and Sharing Center, choose Change Adapter Settings, right click on our adapter, go to Properties, uncheck the 6 because we're not using it. Let's go to 4. We're going to make this 192.168.2.88. Drop down 192.168.2.1, and then our current DNS server is the current domain controller. So that's what we want to set. We're not going to set anything else needs to be set in this right now. So we're going to choose OK. Choose OK again. And let's just make sure, right click, go to Properties, come in here, and 8, 8, and 7. We are good to go on that part. So let's go ahead and close out. Next thing that we want to do is we want to change the computer name. So let's come down here to the Start menu, right click, and go to System. And then this right here is where we change our computer name. So click on Change Settings. And then the computer description, not going to worry about that. We're going to click Change. And then we're going to change the computer name to all capitals. And we're going to name it Cars 2016 because that's what it is. Click on OK. Well, actually going to change this as well. Click on OK. So we need to restart the computer, so we will be back in a minute. Okay, we are back up and running with our domain name change. Let's come over here, right click, come on, go to System. Alright, and there we have it. We have our computer name and our full computer name and our workgroup Fire. I always change it from the default workgroup to Fire. I've just been doing that for years. It sort of goes along with the company name of Cars Fox Fire. That is it for this lesson. The next one we're going to do is going to be joining the domain. So we will see y'all then.